Alright guys, so today I want to do a quick unboxing and review on my Totipo Gaming Headset. As you can see, it's good for PC, PS5, PS4, just about any console out there. So let's see what we got. I'm excited about this one. So, some extra accessories here. Oh, nice, very nice. It's more like an extender there. Alright, and the actual headset itself. Let's take this off. Oh, very nice. This part feels very nice. Cushions as well. Let's see. It's like very sturdy, honestly. Let's hook it up. See how it does. Might need this for like the PlayStation, no problem. All right, let's get this hooked up. All right, I went ahead and got it plugged in, and wow, look at those colors on those sides, man. That is really, really neat. As well as one right here. I got my Switch. Let me power it up. Oh, cool. Already got it on. So the reason for the USB is obviously to get this up and going. And then let's see. Let me hook up this to the Switch. I don't know if you can hear that. That sounds really, really good. Let's see. All right, guys. So after a couple games, the headset is actually really, really nice. The cushion around your ears and all the padding is just really, really cool, really top notch. One thing I want to point out is, like I said, the lights on them. That's why you need the USB. It does also come with an extension to the USB, which I did need. And then you can control certain things right from here. So you can turn it up or turn it down. Like I said, it is optional to have the lights because now you can just kind of hook it up to whatever you need. But other than that, if you're looking for a quality gaming headset, I'd highly recommend this one. 10 out of 10.